I'm so excited. So for the month of April, I'm going to be guest designing again for Memory Lane Scrap. And I'm going to be working with 2 different collections. So I'm going to unbox the first collection and unbox the second, and both videos will go up probably like the same day, within a couple hours of each other, something like that. So the first collection, excuse me, the first collection I'm going to be working with is Dear Lizzy's brand new collection called Stay Colorful. So I don't have any of this in my stash, so I was super excited when the owner of Memory Lane Scraps approached me and asked if I wanted to work with this collection, because I didn't buy it. I really probably would have been one that I wouldn't have really ever gotten to work with if she hadn't offered it to me and asked me if I wanted to use it. So very excited about that. This collection is very feminine. It's going to be a challenge for me to use, but I think it will be fun, and it will be a fun challenge. So why don't we start with the 6x6 pad. Memory Lane Scraps is no longer going to be carrying 12x12 papers, which is totally amazingly fine with me, because I like 6x6 paper pads better. I love them. I think they're fabulous for everything. So I'm more than happy to have just 6x6 papers. So let me flip through the papers and show you some of the designs here. This blue is gorgeous. And then we have this fun floral design. The sprinkles, multicolored sprinkles, mermaids, and cat mermaids. I'm challenging myself to use cat mermaids on a layout. I'm challenging myself. They're one of those like random icons, but I have a plan, and I think it's going to work. We have these pretty fish scales or scallops. I love this paper, and I love these 3 colors. I'm thinking one of my layouts, I'm going to pull just these 3 colors from the collection and do something fun with those 3 colors. This paper is just a really pretty kind of marble. It almost reminds me of those acrylic paint pours that are real popular right now. Gorgeous butterflies. A lovely pink polka dot. This floral with the shades of the blue and yellow and green. And then this really nice kind of tone-on-tone green. So I think another really great color combination in this line would be this navy paper mixed with this floral, and then this light green. Strawberries, perfect for springtime. This ombre that goes from light to dark, tone-on-tone floral. Pretty polka dots. Nice cut apart sheet. I love this one and this one. These really nice ones for journaling. I really like this bike that says "Oh Happy Day," because you could pull some more of the bike icons from the collection and use that. Unicorns and rainbows. This pretty tone-on-tone green heart. Fun polka dots. I think this one and the next one would work fabulously together. I love these watercolor stripes, and then this polka dot together. Those 2 papers would work really well in a layout. And then it repeats all the patterns we just went through, so you get 2 of every pattern paper. So next we have our embellishments. This is the die cut phrases from Dear Lizzy. I'll go ahead and I'll open these up and show them all to you. So there are some gold glitter. It says "Good Times Ahead," "Now and Then," "Hello," and "Hooray." And then we have some white glitter, which I think is really cool. This one says "Memories." These are nice thick die cuts. This one says "Celebrate." This one says "Unicorns and Sparkles." And this one says "Stay Magical." So those are all of the die cut phrases. Lots of titling options there for lots of different projects. Next we have the puffy stickers, and I'm just going to put these about here so you can see all the fun different icons. Move my camera just a touch. Okay. The glare is making my iPad like do It's been acting weird lately with the focusing. So these are the puffy stickers. Super cute. I love them. More cat mermaids, more bicycles, hearts, which are really cute. The little butterflies. There's ice cream cones and flowers. Lots of different icons on there. And then I got the layered stickers, and I am in love with this one, and this one. Those three are going on a layout like practically immediately because they're so cute. I love them. We also have this, which this is a really nice color, this color palette, this dark blue and this green. I really enjoy that color palette within this collection. And then we have this one that says Always Groovy and Fun Unicorn and the Cat Mermaid. And then I got the die cut shapes. I'm going to actually set these aside and I'm going to open them up last so we can look, so I can spread them all out real nice. I got the thicker set. This thicker set is called Groovy. And really, again, gorgeous, gorgeous sayings. Great for titles. Stay colorful. I love that title. There's ampersands and arrows. This love. Good times ahead. This one says, hey, good looking. Lots of one of each of the letters, or not letters, numbers. One each of numbers 0 through 9. Very cute. And then on this side we have Oh Happy Day, Hello Weekend. That one's a good one. I like that. Now and Then, Good Things Are Coming, I Believe in Unicorns. So just lots of fun little titling options there for you. And then this is the accent and phrase stickers. And I'll just open them up like this. I love these houses. Let me just say, I love them. I think those houses are adorable in those sherbet colors. There's some hearts. Here we have the bike again with the cat. Good titling options on this one as well. Flowers and butterflies and unicorns and just lots of really, really fun icons and things that we can use. So those are going to go over here. All right, let's go ahead and I will open up these die cuts and we'll spread them all out everywhere so that you can see them. I'm sorry if there's a little bit of background noise in this video. They are doing some construction outside, and I don't know that there's anything I'm going to be able to do about it for the next couple of months or so. So let's take a look. So we have 2 packages of die cuts. These have matte gold accents, and these are just plain. Let's start with those. So we have a pizza and a strawberry, the flower, this fun ticket, this floral, ice cream truck, a swan. Oh, this says ride a unicorn, swim with mermaids, chase a rainbow. So with those 2. Hip hip hooray, cat mermaid, butterfly, stay colorful, another little ticket, an ampersand. I love this hummingbird, you guys. I love the hummingbird. So cute. Fun little unicorn. This one says hello. Some of these have gold foil accents, so I'm not sure what the difference is between the 2 packages of die cuts. These fabulous houses that I adore. Another strawberry. This one says good times ahead, and then we have that adorable bicycle. Oh, the words are not working today. And then we have the second pack. So we have a mermaid. We have, this is super cute. This is like a postage stamp. I actually really like that. More butterflies, lots and lots of butterflies, yay. Ice cream, a camera, some birds, these are cute, cute. An umbrella, perfect for those April showers. Another stamp, another ticket, This is a lovely travel ticket. Another cat mermaid, another ticket. I love the tickets, and I love these postage stamp die cuts. Those are awesome. Some tags. This one that says treat yourself. No, it says treat yourself. Treat yourself. Okay. And then there's this little card and another butterfly. So that is all of the collection from Stay Colorful that I will be working with. You can get all of these fabulous, fun products in the Memory Lane Scrap Etsy shop. And you can use my code Sarah20 to save 20% off. And yeah, I would absolutely love if anyone wants to go ahead and make a purchase. They can play along with me this month as I create some layouts with this collection. I think it would be really, really, really fun to do that. It's always fun to play along with people on YouTube. I don't know. I love to do that. It's like, it's a thing. And I will quickly show you some of the photos I pulled to go with this collection. So the first one I pulled is, I have these 3 photos of my niece, and she is wearing a little kitty cat outfit with little kitty cat headband. And I couldn't decide which one of these pictures I liked best. So I had all 3. I developed all 3. I printed all 3 of them. And so I think I might do a layout with all 3 of them. We'll see. And then the other picture I printed that I really thought about was my sister. Okay, so this is my niece. This is my niece. And then this is her sister. So these 2 are sisters. And this one is brand new. She was just born in February. And my sister sent me this super cute picture of her with the little Snapchat filter. So, and I thought that this would look really nice with this collection because she has the navy blue and she has little pink ears, super cute. So that's where my head is going right now as to what pictures I might be, that I think I'm going to work with this collection. Definitely these. And then I'm also thinking about some traveler's notebooks or anything. But if you want to issue me any challenges for these products, any product you would like me to feature or use while I work through my projects, please leave me a comment below and let me know, because I would love to do that. It helps to give me a nice jumping off spot to get started. So have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you again soon. Bye.